Let's see, what can I have to eat? Let's check. Oh, what do you know? Laptop ramen pack. There's this. Gonna be chicken. I hate chicken. Oh, shoot. Chicken nugget flavor. I like it. Let's see, what can we make this in? Ah. Fulgurs. Nice. Plop that in there. See what else we got here. What we can add. Oh yeah, lemon. Drop that bad boy in there. Seal it up. It says cook for 3 minutes. So we're gonna cook it for 3 minutes. Let's go check on my little chicken nugget flavored cup of noodles. Looks like we're done here. Check it out, check it out. Dear God. Holy balls. I don't know. This does not look like chicken nuggets at all. Let's see if it tastes like it too.